guys, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm finally starting my Halloween 13 days makeup. Yay! I'm so excited, you guys, today. And maybe can you guys guess like what I may be doing today? Guess. I'm doing a fast, easy cat Halloween makeup. So you guys, my series is basically about doing last minute Halloween makeup, because as a makeup artist such as myself, every year I would always get last minute calls. Oh my goodness, can you do my makeup? I don't have anything ready for Halloween, so I just want you to do something cool on my face. And I would get a variety of things, you know, cheetahs, cats, scarecrows, and so on. So I am going to do a fast cat look for you today, and here are some things you're going to need right off the bat. You're going to need either a gel liquid liner with a brush. You are definitely going to need that, actually, a brush or not, or at least you will be needing this, just a liquid liner of some sort, a pen, not a pen, just anything that you can do eyeliner with. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the palette that I'm going to be using today is the Kesha Rose palette, and you guys know me if you've seen my previous makeup videos. I always use the Louise eye base because this base is freaking amazing at making your colors on the eyes way more opaque and just more intense. So I'm going to pop that on my eye, and I'm going to go ahead and pat this in. Okay guys, so after I put my Louise eye base on, then I just put a quick setting powder over my eyelids, and this is a Laura Mercier setting powder with a flat brush. So after you have done that, let's get started now for the colors. Alright, first color I'm going to start off with is this orangey color right here, and this is called Boogie Feet. And what we're going to do is you're going to blend this color up high, going across your lid like this. And you want to bring it out all the way to the corner of your eyebrow. Okay, so after you've done that side of the eye, go ahead and do the exact same thing to the next eye and just slowly build up that color. Next color I will be taking is this color called Backstabber, and you're gonna just go right below this brown. So right kind of where the where that orangey color, where that crease cuts, you are gonna just draw the same direction going all the way out, and then we are going to start blending those colors in. Okay, now you're going to do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, so this is what we have so far. I know it looks crazy, but it's going to come out very nice. We're basically doing a double cut crease here, and you're going to take a makeup wipe and your makeup remover, and what you're going to do is use your finger, and we're going to go over our eyelid like that. Well, we're going to go across all the way to the very end and clean that out. You want to swipe up in an angle, so you should have that small swoop go over first and then line it up. Okay, now you're going to do the same thing to the other eye. You can do this with concealer, but I just don't want the concealer to mix with that purplish reddish color. Okay, so now that my crease is more clean, I'm going to go back in with the Louise eye base and basically just fill in the part that we cleaned out. Alright, now do the same thing to the other eye. I'm going back in with my Laura Mercier powder, and I'm just going to set that base. Okay, next I'm going to be taking this color called Tonight, and it's this black shimmer. And I'm going to be patting this all over where we just cut. For the edges, you guys, you're going to need to take a small brush, or you can also just use your makeup wipe to clean up if you did get any out of that corner. Okay, once that eye is done, do the same thing to the other eye. Alright, so this is what we have so far. I'm going to actually spritz my brush and re-go over the black part with the black just to make it more opaque. So when you spritz your brush, that basically just liquefies the colors and it makes them more metallic-y. Okay, next I'm going back in the same color right here, TikTok, using a small brush, and we are going to put that on our bottom lids. Sorry you guys, I said TikTok before, I meant tonight. Now we're going to take the color TikTok, which is this silver glitter right here, and we're going to place that on the inner corners of our eyes. Do the same thing to the other eye. Okay guys, so now that we have our eye look completed, we're not done just yet. I'm going to put my foundation on and then we're going to continue with the rest of this tutorial. Okay guys, so this is where pretty much the easy part comes in. Okay, so you are going to need your eyeliner for this right here, you guys, or you're going to need your eyeshadow gel, whichever one you prefer. So I'm actually going to use my waterproof liquid liner. And this is by imethod Beauty. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is do the cat mouth. So pretty much you're going to come in like that, and then you're going to swoop up like that. Okay, and you're going to do the same thing to the other side. They by all means don't need to be perfect, you guys, because remember this is supposed to be a fast look. Now what you're going to do is draw a line straight from this point of your nose to your lip. All the way like that, okay? You're going to draw a small triangle. Like that. You can outline the top of your lips. Just like that, you guys. Now fill in the top of your lips with either a black lipstick or you can use your eyeliner or anything that's a black shade. So I don't have a black lipstick, so what I'm going to do is take my P. Louise eye base and pat this on the top of my upper lip. Go back to this color TikTok. That's black, and just pat that over my upper lip, okay? Okay, next you can go in with any color you guys want for the bottom lip. I'm going to go in with this matte brown, and I actually made this, you guys, this semi-matte liquid lipstick, and it's vanilla mint, so it smells freaking amazing. And they come with an upcoming eyeshadow palette that I will be developing with my mom. So I'm going to put this all over my bottom lip, whichever color you want, absolutely by means go for it. While that dries, we're going to move on to the next step. What we're now going to do is do 3 little dots on top of our lip. You're going to do the same thing to the other side. And now we're going to start drawing cat whiskers. So you're going to basically start from this point right here, from one of the dots going out. Like that, okay? And then next to another dot, so if you can see, it's right by one of the dots. And like that, okay? Now you're going to do another one right below that. And there's your cat whiskers. Now you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now we're moving on to our eye. All you're going to do is just get a line and angle it towards your nose like that. Okay, and you're going to do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so now that my lip has dried, I'm going to outline the bottom lip with black liner. And lastly, we cannot forget our nose. Okay, so what I'm going to do is make my nose a pinkish shade with a black line over it. So I'm grabbing my P. Louise eye base and I'm starting from this corner, and you want to swoop down like that. Now do the same thing to the other side. Press flat and swoop down, okay? And that's going to be your guideline for when you swoop across under your nose. Okay, so if you're wondering why I used a P. Louise eye base, you guys, is because I'm going to put eyeshadow over that base. I'm going to be taking this color right here called Woman and patting that on my nose. So again, start off right here and swipe down like so. Fill in this piece. Come across. Do the same thing to the other side. And then start filling under. I'm going to be using a highlighting color from the Anastasia Dream palette, and I'm going to be taking the color Unicorn, and that is the color I also use to highlight my face, just to give my nose some extra shimmer. So pat that all over your nose. Now I'm going to be taking my black liner, and I'm just going to outline the top part of my nose. This part is optional, FYI. Okay guys, I'm going to be coming back with lashes, and these are actually part of my lash collection. These are the wispy dramatic lashes, so I really love these. I think these are the 15 centimeter long ones, so they're not the 25 mm long ones. And I will see you just in a short few seconds with the final look. Okay you guys, wow! Here is the final look for my inspired easy Halloween cat makeup. Now of course you guys, you do not need to do the double eye cut crease like how I did it. That's just optional. Honestly, all you really need to do is just the lips, the nose, and then eyeliner, eyelashes, and you're good to go. So I just made it just a little bit more advanced for those makeup lovers out there who know how to do the advanced eye look, which is the double cut crease eye look. And it's actually not too hard as well, because you're not really doing a wing eyeliner on yourself, you're just using the eyeshadow to shade it in. And yeah, you guys, this is my final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you're wondering where I got these cute cat ears from, I got them at Walmart for only $2.88, and then of course, you know, tax. But Walmart has such cute cat ears, you guys. If you're looking for like a super fast, easy, you know, Halloween makeup look, this is it right here. And then of course, the lashes I am wearing are from my lash series. You can go to my website, which is adoremiamore.com, and find these lashes that I have there. So yes, you guys, if you love cats, or if you're a fan of Halloween and you want to see the rest of these makeup looks that I'm going to be coming up with, because each one is going to be different, please subscribe to my channel, please leave a comment below, and please give me a big thumbs up. Other than that, you guys, I will see you on the next one. Round.